Once upon a time, in a large green park, lived a small, fluffy squirrel named Pip. Pip was known for his bright eyes and bushy tail. He spent his days collecting nuts and seeds, burying them in various spots for the winter. One sunny morning, while searching for acorns, Pip stumbled upon a shiny red apple. It was bigger than anything he had ever seen before. He tried to push it, but it was too heavy. Pip decided to call for help. Soon, other squirrels arrived, chattering excitedly. Together, they managed to roll the apple towards Pip's favorite tree. They enjoyed the sweet fruit, sharing it among all. As the days grew shorter, Pip and his friends worked together to gather more food. They learned that sharing made their tasks easier and that friendship was more valuable than any treasure. Pip, with his bright eyes, was always ready to help. He became a symbol of kindness and cooperation in the park. The other animals admired his gentle nature. When winter arrived, Pip had more than enough food to last through the cold months. He spent his days warm in his nest, dreaming of the spring. He knew his friends were safe and happy too. When spring came, the park was filled with new life. Pip was excited to explore, play, and help his friends. He continued to live happily in the park, forever the cute squirrel who brought joy and harmony to everyone around him. He knew that as long as they worked together, they would always have enough.